Welcome back to Vlogmas, whatever day this is. I'm gonna be taking pictures with my sister, which is why I look a little nice today. And we're gonna eat. If you guys don't know, let me show you some good food. This is Ghana jollof, which is what we're gonna be eating today for lunch, with some chicken and some salad. Good balance. Grilled, honey glazed. Here is the salad. So that's what we're gonna be eating for lunch, and then we're gonna take pictures. Even though we're not matching.
No, we match. We're both beautiful shades of mahogany brown, and we both have this unnatural yet very natural looking blonde hair, and we are kindred spirits, so we match. What is she talking about?
But our outfits don't match, so are we waiting on Paris to eat?
Bruh, I'm ready to eat.
Oh, well, if her mother don't care, I don't care. How excited are you? How excited? How excited are you? Say Christmas! Christmas! Alright guys, so I totally forgot to film while we were shopping, but that's kind of good because we bought gifts for people that watch the vlog and I don't want them to see their gift. I'm back home, and Selena, you keep getting an oatmeal cookie and eating it like this.
Don't eat my cookie. You always... This is why mothers should only have one child and not multiple children, because when you have multiple children and siblings, they think that they can just eat your stuff at will, and it's not fair. I keep getting a cookie, I take one bite out of my cookie, and Banana eats all of my stuff.
And
next time I'm gonna lick the cookie.
I'll still eat it.
That is so crazy.
Oh, hey vlog. I know y'all miss me. I'm the love of y'all lives. I'm the highlight of y'all lives. It started when we were younger, you were mine, my boo.
6, 7, 8, hit. That's how the TikTok girls do it.
You trying to hit me? I was having a roll all day.
Somebody said something about ask your mother, do you need a step over?
On the live, yeah.
Hey.
Look, Una said, hey look.
Okay. Look, I know. Yeah, you said ready.
Body crazy, curvy, way big. You gotta. Do you hear my bones crack?
So you go.
Body 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Body 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Body 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Look at how I bodied that.
All right.
Wow, kids don't even do 5, 6, 7, 8. They just.
I know.
Should not be enough for me. I thought the perfect guy would come and find me.
Again, I forgot to close out the vlog yesterday, but we just kept doing TikTok dances until we couldn't dance anymore. It's the next day, so I'm just going to close out this vlog so I can upload the footage and then start vlogging for my next vlog. So I'll see you guys in Vlogmas, well, the next Vlogmas video. Bye.